Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we dive into the world of financial markets, analyzing charts and news to provide you with actionable insights. Today's date is September 10th, 2024, and we're focused on the AUDUSD currency pair. The Australian dollar has been facing some headwinds recently, with its value against the US dollar fluctuating. Let's start by looking at the daily chart of AUDUSD. We see a clear downtrend in the past few months, with the pair breaking below several key support levels. The recent decline has been particularly sharp, suggesting a strong bearish momentum. However, there are some signs that the downtrend might be nearing its end. The RSI indicator has dipped into oversold territory, signaling that the AUDUSD might be due for a bounce. Now, let's switch gears and discuss some relevant news that might be impacting the AUDUSD. Recent economic data from Australia has painted a mixed picture, with consumer confidence weakening in September. However, building permits and private house approvals increased in July, suggesting a resilient housing market. On the U.S. side, the August non-farm payrolls report showed mixed results, with less than expected job growth, adding to fears of a potential recession in the U.S. This uncertainty about the U.S. economy has been a factor in the recent strengthening of the U.S. dollar and weakening of the Australian dollar. Going back to the daily chart, let's examine some key price levels to watch. The 0.6400 level has been a strong support zone in the past, and it's possible that the AUDUSD might find support there again. However, if the pair breaks below this level, it could signal further downside potential, with the 0.6300 level serving as the next key support. On the upside, the 0.6500 level is a potential resistance zone to watch, and a break above this level could signal a bullish reversal. Let's zoom in and take a closer look at the 1-hour chart, focusing on the recent price action. We can see a series of lower highs and lower lows, confirming the downtrend in the short term. However, the recent price action suggests a potential bottoming out process. The AUDUSD has found support around the 0.6600 level, and the recent bounce from this level suggests that buyers are stepping in. The 15-minute chart provides even more detail on the recent price action. We can see a series of bullish engulfing patterns, which are bullish reversal signals. These patterns suggest that the AUDUSD might be building momentum for a rebound. The recent volatility in AUDUSD might be a result of the Fed's anticipated rate cuts. While the RBA has maintained a hawkish stance on interest rates, the U.S. recession fears have fueled expectations of rate cuts by the Fed. This interest rate differential story could potentially favor the Australian dollar. However, the upside potential is limited by the slow recovery of the Chinese economy, which is a key trading partner of Australia. In conclusion, the AUDUSD is currently in a state of flux, with the bearish momentum possibly waning. The recent news and economic data have painted a mixed picture for the Aussie dollar, but there are signs of a potential rebound. The 0.6400 level on the daily chart remains a critical support zone, with the 0.6300 level serving as the next key support. On the upside, the 0.6500 level is a potential resistance zone to watch. It's crucial to monitor the economic data from both Australia and the US and pay attention to the Fed's rate decision, which could significantly impact the AUDUSD. The 1-hour chart shows that the AUDUSD has found support around the 0.6600 level, and a break above the 0.6650 level could be a bullish signal. The 15-minute chart reveals bullish engulfing patterns, indicating that the AUDUSD might be building momentum for a rebound. Looking ahead, if the AUDUSD manages to break above the 0.6500 level, it could signal a significant bullish reversal. However, if the pair fails to hold above the 0.6400 level, it could indicate further downside potential.